All right, crew, so welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video, guys. This here is gonna be a tech review, guys. I guess you could call it a tool review. So we're gonna do a good comparison with the RYOBI foam blaster and the foam sprayer GROITS garage, and of course we're gonna do a comparison as far as which one gives you the most foam and the most bang for your buck. All right, guys, so we basically get one of them from your big box stores, like your auto shop stores, which is this one here, the foam sprayer GROITS garage, and we also get the RYOBI foam blaster from, of course, your big box stores, which is your Home Depots. Okay, guys, so we're gonna today get back here, sit back in your chair, relax, get you some popcorn, and we're about to put them to the test. All right, crew, so get to it with the foam sprayer GROITS garage. We're gonna go ahead and see what comes in this foam sprayer. Let's go ahead and turn it around here. It basically comes with just your sprayer. All right, it has a little foam here, a little nozzle, foam nozzle, and you also, it comes with your, let's see here, also comes with your nozzle here that you basically hook up. And see here, you hook it up here, it has the arrow there that you connect it, and then you hook this part to your water hose itself, and basically that's it. It's just all right, so let's see what comes in the foam blaster. It says shoots thick cleansing foam, and it looks like it's included a little foam, 4-ounce foam blaster, I guess foam, which we will be using our own foam, and we'll be using them in both of the guns to give it a fair comparison. A quick, I guess, foam control lever on and off, and it also attaches to your power washer as well, which you guys know if you watched the videos before. I actually went and purchased an RYOBI power washer, so that's what we will be using with both of these products. So let's see what comes in the RYOBI foam blaster. And just a quick note, I am not getting paid for these reviews. I'm using my own money for this review and everything. It looks like it comes with a, got your on and off little blaster here. I like that. All right, it seems like it's real heavy duty plastic. I'm pretty sure they either machine or probably CNC these. And you got your little quick disconnect compared to the GROITS garage one that hooks up onto your water hose. So I guess we're gonna have to see how we will hook it up to the power washer if we do both of them at the same time. So, and it comes with your little instructions. Got a little O-ring here. It also comes with your little cup with our RYOBI on it, and it comes inside the cup a foam blaster all-purpose cleaner. All right, crew, so we're gonna go ahead and start washing the GMC truck. And one thing I just want to point out, we're actually doing the test of both of these, the RYOBI blaster and also the GROITS garage. I just want to make it clear that the reason why I'm gonna wash it, you got to wash it twice anyway to get the full effect of the ceramic car wash spray from Armor. And I already know that this product works because I used it before. My main thing is I need suds and foam, so that's why I'm doing this test. And to be fair, the RYOBI, it uses a power washer to create its foam. Okay, so the GROITS garage, it actually just uses a water hose, and that's what creates the foam from this device here. So I just want to do a great comparison, I'm gonna go ahead and wash the whole truck first with the GROITS Garage sprayer, just to see the type of foam that it produces. Okay, so this ceramic car wash is an awesome car wash and stuff. It's supposed to create a lot of foam. I haven't never used it with the power washer before or anything like that. And it's also, you're supposed to use it one time, and then to get the full effect you do it again. So that's going to be perfect for this demonstration that we're going to use. All right, crew, so hey, if you're new to the channel, you're watching Resto's Mods Garage with CJ, and yes, I am CJ. So we're going to get right into this review, guys. We're going to put some suds on these vehicles, and we're going to see how it turns out. So stay tuned for this video. First, you just want to rinse it off, your car off. Putting it just like that. And now you're only supposed to do a section at a time. That way you need to get your bucket of water, agitate it for that ceramic coat to work. And after you do that, you want to go ahead and rinse it off. All right, so you guys saw how much foam the Garage produces. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest around the truck here, finish the rest of that with this GROITS, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna hook up the power washer with the power blaster, and we're gonna see what type of foam that produces. Already after you wash it, you have to agitate it like I was doing here. You agitate it and then you wash it off again, and you can already see that it's beating up. Okay, so that's what you want. And then after I put the second coat on with the blaster, it's gonna even roll and beat off even more, guys. So let's go. All right, crew, so now we're back. We just got through washing down the whole truck with the Garage blaster. We went around the whole truck there, and then we agitated. Now we're gonna do the RYOBI power blaster with the same ceramic car wash. And with this, you just go ahead and put your 6 to 8 ounces, which this actually has it has 8 ounces and 4 ounces, so it's easy to measure it out. And of course, it's gonna go onto the power washer, which is gonna generate all of our water within that RYOBI power wash. So let's go ahead and get started, and let's see which one produces a lot of foam. We need that foam, guys, so we won't scratch up our truck. Okay, so let's go ahead and get to it. Off. Soap on. Let's get to it. All right, crew, so we're gonna go ahead and finish with the RYOBI blaster, go and finish up around the car, and then we're gonna dry it off. And when I come back, I give you guys my honest opinion about both of the blasters, guys. So stay tuned. All right, crew, so we are back and we're finished doing the washing of the truck. And like you guys know, we used a RYOBI foam blaster and a garage blaster. Okay, so what is my opinion about both of these products? As you see, guys, it's an awesome looking, especially with that ceramic car wash. It turned out really well. I did have a few wet spots as far as that dried too quick because it was pretty hot out here today, but I went back and I wiped it off and stuff, and I got the dry spots off, the water spots. But other than that, it turned out excellent. You can see it turned out really good as far as the sheen. You can see yourself in it, so the truck is looking awesome, guys. But I must tell you my honest opinion about these two products. I really do love the foam blaster, okay, but there is a big difference in the foam blaster and the garage blaster, is that this one here, you only need to hook up your water hose to it, so it's really convenient whenever you go and wash your car. And this piece here connects to it. Let me see if I can get it off here. All right, so this piece just connects onto your nozzle. You just turn your water hose on and you're ready to go, guys. With the RYOBI foam blaster, it's a little bit more work. You have to get your power wash out, and then you hook this up to it. And the only bad thing about this is the connection. Whenever you use your water hose and stuff, you have to disconnect the foam blaster, to rinse off your car and stuff. So it's a lot of stuff going on with the foam blaster. Also, my main thing was I needed the soap. So which one had the most soap? As you guys can see, the foam blaster, it laid like a really thin layer of foam down, almost like you was going through a car wash, and then it just wipes off and stuff, and it was running very thin coat. But the garage cleaner, that one there put out a lot of soap, and I really thought that I was gonna like the foam blaster. I thought that was gonna work a lot better, but I must give my honest opinion, and my honest opinion is the garage blaster, it is a go. It worked so much better. I mean, it was very convenient, and as you guys saw, it was laying tons of foam down, and it actually stayed on the vehicle until I was able to go with my sponge and wipe everything down with it to get that ceramic coating, agitated and stuff. So I must say today's winner has to go to the garage blaster, guys. That's best for your bang for your buck. They're basically about the same price. You get one at the Advance, your big box stores, and of course you get the RYOBI foam blaster from your Home Depots. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like more videos like this, go ahead and leave a comment down below and let me know, and I do more tech videos for you guys. So hey, I really hope you guys like this video, and if you like it, give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video with other people, guys. And if you really enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. You guys have been watching me for a while now, so go ahead and support me. Let's go ahead and get to 1,000 subs as quick, hopefully this year, guys. I really appreciate all of you guys' support. And this, like I tell everybody, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, or truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.